Hello dear students, welcome back to online classes. In the previous class we discussed surface area of cylinder. So in this exercise 13.2 I think we finished. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth also. Only two problems are remained. Okay, let us solve today all those things. Listen. So 10th problem. In figure 13.12, you see the frame of a lampshade. So this is the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. So we have to cover this by decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 cm and height of 30 cm. A margin of 2.5 cm is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So listen, the lampshade is in the form of cylinder. So we have to calculate, or we have to find out how much cloth is needed to covering the lampshade. Okay, listen. And also here it is a margin of 2.5 cm is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ top ಮತ್ತೆ bottom ಅಲ್ಲಿ fold ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ margin 2.5 extra ಇದೆ. Okay, listen. Here we have to calculate, that is curved surface area or lateral surface area. Understand? So listen. So here it is given. So diameter exercise 13.2 class 9th. So problem number 10. Okay, listen. The lampshade is in the form of cylinder. The lampshade is in the form of cylinder. Understand? Okay. So it is like that. So the height is, height is 30 centimeter. Height is 30 centimeter. So diameter D is equal to how much? Diameter D is equal to 20 centimeter. Then R is equal to 10 centimeter. R is equal to 10 centimeter. And H is equal to 30 centimeter. H is equal to 30 centimeter. So that is cloth required. Cloth required. So cloth required is equal to 2 pi r H. That is lateral surface area. But here H should be considered 30 centimeter plus 2.5 top and plus 2.5 base, because this is extra. So because this 2.5 centimeter and this 2.5 centimeter is required for margin. So extra ಇಲ್ಲಿ margin ಗೆ top ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2.5 centimeter ಬಳಸ್ಕೊತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2.5. So that we have to consider as height. ಅದನ್ನ height ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. So here, so H is equal to 2 pi r into H plus 2.5 plus 2.5 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Okay, r 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 10 into H ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, totally 35. So 44 divided by 7 into 10 into 35. Understood? 7 ones are 7 5s are 44 into 5 10s are 50. Okay, 0, 5 4s are 20, 2, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So 2200 centimeter square. 2200 centimeter square cloth is required to cover the lampshade. Understand? Okay, take down. Next, 11th one. Last problem in this main, 11th one. Listen. Here The students of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of a cylinder with a base using cardboard. Each pen holder was to be of radius 3 cm and height 10.5 cm. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? Listen. The student of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition. One pen holders ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಪೆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಬಟ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಈಚ್ ಪೆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅದರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 cm, ಹೈಟ್ 10.5 cm. ದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ವಾಸ್ ಟು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಆ ಪೆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯನೇ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ವರ್ 35 ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 35 ಜನ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಬಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನ ಆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದವರು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಪೆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. So here radius, so radius is equal to 3 cm and height, so height of the pen holder is equal to 10.5 cm. So here we have to calculate cardboard required for one competitor. First one competitor calculate madana. Okay, cardboard required for one competitor. Cardboard required for one competitor cardboard required for one competitor is equal to, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಪೆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್, ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓಪನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪೆನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓಪನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಬೇಸ್. ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಬೇಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ LSA or curved surface area plus base. Understand? So LSA means 2 pi r h plus base, it is in the form of circle, so pi r square. Understand? Okay, so 2 pi r h, 2 into 22/7 into r means 3 into h means 10.5 plus 22/7 into r means 3 into 3. Okay, so listen, 44 divided by 7 into 3 into 10.5 plus 22/7 into 9. Understand? Okay, listen. So 7 ones are 7, 3 carry 35, 7 5s. So 44 into 1.5 into 3. So 1.5 into 3 means 15 3s are 45, that is 4.5. Okay, plus 22/7, or you have to multiply this by 9. 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 divided by 7. If you multiply these two, then after simplification of this one, so you will get 226.28 centimeter square. So this you simplify markoli. Okay, so you have to multiply 44 into 4.5 multiply madi, then you will get, after simplifying, 198 divided by 7, if you add these two, so you will get 226.28 centimeter square. So this is the cardboard required for one competitor. Cardboard required for 1 competitors. That is, in the same way, cardboard required for 35 competitors. How many competitors were there? 35 competitors. Ali 35 competitors idru. So cardboard required for 35 competitors. 35 competitors is equal to, you have to multiply 226.28 into 35. 226.28 into 35. So if you multiply these two, you will get 7,920 centimeter square. So therefore, how much cardboard was required? Here it is asked. Alva? ಎಷ್ಟು cardboard ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7,920 centimeter square cardboard is required. So therefore, 7,928 centimeter square cardboard is required. Understand? Take the work. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎರಡೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 13.3. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ cone. Okay, so how to calculate lateral surface area of cone and total surface area of cone. So let us discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you. Barcode.